In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a firestore document in Flutterflow using the action flow editor. We'll walk through configuring a delete action so that when a user taps a button or icon in your app, the correct firestore document is removed. This approach keeps your logic clean and tied directly to the widget the user interacts with. Start by selecting the widget that will trigger the deletion. This could be a delete icon, a button, or any tappable component in your UI. Make sure you actually click the widget in the canvas so its properties show up on the right. Attaching actions to the exact widget is important because that context is how Flutterflow knows which item the user is acting on. With the widget selected, head over to the Properties panel on the right side. Open the Actions tab, then click Open to launch the Action Flow editor. This editor is where you chain together what happens when the user taps your widget. Inside the Action Flow editor, click the +Add Action button. You'll see a list of available actions grouped by category. In the search bar, type Delete Document, then choose Firestore Delete Document. This is the built-in action for removing a document from your Firebase collection. Next, you need to specify the document reference, which is simply a pointer to the exact document you want to delete. The delete action won't run without this. In most apps, this reference is already available based on where the widget lives. For example, if your delete button is inside a list view that's showing a collection, each list item typically carries its own document reference. If your button is on a detail page that queries a single record, that page also has the document's reference handy. Set the value source for the action to the document reference of the current item. Depending on your setup, you might choose a document from reference variable, pull it from a backend query result, or use the list item's reference. The key is to bind it to the exact document associated with the widget's context, not a generic or hard-coded path. If you see options like current item, current document, or a page variable tied to the record, those are usually the right targets. Once the action is configured, your widget will delete the specified document when tapped. Double check that you've connected the correct reference so you don't remove the wrong data. That's all it takes to wire up deletion in Flutterflow using Firestore and the Action Flow editor. Thanks for watching, and happy building.